ba sila?
Senior.
Patrade nyo ako, si.
Tsaka dito. Dito ba sila?
May puking inaapaw. Ay.
Nagbabay time pa yan. May umiikot pa dyan
Ayan na yung blob. Ayan na
roller.
yung blob.
Sige. Okay lang.
Once na mag-push sila boy, i-occult ko para may slow sila. Yun yung gagawin natin.
Pwede lang.
Defensive ko yung shoes tapos yung Demon Armor.
Wait, ready. Ready, shallow northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow northwest. Guys, move southeast, move southeast.
Hintay lang yun sa brawler nila sa likod.
Keep moving southeast. Keep moving. Then south.
Ready down.
We're going on the choke. No. We need to keep moving. We're gonna buy time for our tank. Come south. Help pa naman.
Rhea, mamamatay ka.
Help Rhea. Come. Keep going southeast.
Hindi pa pala ako naka-foot up eh.
Yeah, foot up. Go see it. No, not yet. Come southeast. OC.
I'm waiting siya.
Yeah, go southeast.
Okay, bro.
You pull them for the side. Pull them on the choke. Wait. Ready, shallow. Ready, shallow on me. Northeast, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast. Go southwest. Left. Help.
Demon ko.
Go southwest.
Careful. Dancing.
Go southwest. Calma ready. Ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Go southwest.
Huwag mo na-save yung healer na disconnected ako sa laban.
Hindi lang. Dito ka pa
Oh
boy.
my god, kulang tayo sa...
Hold. Calma ready. Ready.
Some of them.
Umiikot tayo, ismo.
I will catch
You can get it. Okay.
the
The guy on the east is alone, huh? The guy on the east is alone.
Wait. You're looking northwest. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow na. Should be dead. Right. Go southwest. Go southwest. Plants. Go southwest. Help front. Go southwest.
Ready ah.
Okay, lumag natin sa front.
Ready, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
QW mobs guys, QW mobs.
Go southwest. Yeah, keep going southwest for now. Okay.
Kailangan niyo yung mobs guys. Oh.
Keep going southwest for now.
Ready, ah.
Stop. Wait, you're looking southeast of me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Hindi mo to.
Nice. Cycle. Walk with them. Hold them. Hold them. Can you set up? Okay. Guard on, please.
Offensive ano?
Help front. Ready? On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
Nice one.
Nice.
Cycle.
Up the back of QW.
G. Ready ako sa ano. Sige lang. Ready ako sa Demon Boy.
Copy. Set up A. Okay.
Pa-cleanse pag nag-engage sila.
Let's straight northeast. Ready? Wait. Oh my god.
Na-hold niya ano. Alamat.
Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow nila. Kill the tank.
Nice.
Careful front. Ang layo ng ano nyo. Ng healer nyo.
Careful, soft
Sige lang. Kaya ko i-clutch it.
Talma ready.
Looking yun na. Shaper nila.
Mana. Druid ko meron.
Ready, on the choke in 5, 4, 2, 1. On the choke. Nice.
Nice one.
Just kill that.
Babalikan ko yung babalikan ko yung collar ha. May maraming luto pa rin.
Yes, yes,
Sige,
yes.
sige.
Kill them.
Dito pa yung loot natin.
This guy. Putang ina mo, this guy is my alliance. I cannot hold him.
Yeah, same.
I can mount out, bro. I can mount out.
Okay, mount up, bro. I cannot, bro. I cannot hit him.
Dito pa yung loot natin, boy.
Nice.
Ayan, diba?
Oo.
Nice cap, guys.
Bila sila kalaban boy, di nagbabang.
Ang ina. Nag-OC ako sa wala. Pakina nyo.
Bago, dito pa yung mga loot natin, bro.
Tagon.
Wala na, full na.
Uy, paldo
Sana nga-
boy.
Hindi, andito yung
Grabe.
full hammer. Andito yung Achon the full hammer. Ewan ko kanino.
Akin yan.
Pereya yan. Buti di sila nagbang par.
Sana na.
Sa akin yan,
Boy,
Ang dami pang loot guys.
Ang daming loot, boy.
Umulan.
Kaya nagsayang ako. Nagsayang ako ng gear.
Bayaran din naman, Bel.
Wala pala akong bag. Okay, lot ako ng loot. Tara, bang una.
Parang hindi naman kayo kulang. Parang sobra-sobra pa kayo dun sa kalaban. Visit na kalaban.
Madami yun.
The last one. The last one. Easier, the last.
Baka isa-isa lang sila namamatay, boy. Na force fight yun?
A force fight. Oh, dismounted isa namin kasama kanina.
Ano
Hindi kami nakatake angle.
Go the charger.
Take charge those. Two of loot. Take charge yan.
Oh, YLC, yeah. I should
Okay,
Okay,
charge bro.
Andun si Faken? Hindi ko nakita si Faken. Hindi si Faken, guys.
Oh no, it's Nikio.
Nikyo.
I OC for that also.
Yeah bro.
Hindi ako nag-OC kagi.
Hindi ko din nag-OC.
Hindi na pindot. Hindi, nag-withdraw kasi ako. Nakalimutan ko pindutin.
Okay lang. Wala naman specs yung blight ko.
Lucian, magkano nagastos mo sa set mo?
Alam, mura lang. 2M lang.
I don't know YLC.
Trade mo, mabigyan kita 5M.
Charge. Charge.
Amen!
Uy!
Wala na kayo fight? Pwede pa to.
Ako rin yan, parang ano rin ah.
Hindi, pumunta si Lucian eh.
Uy!
Nagpapapilit. Para daya pala na ito.
Huwag mo pala
Nagpapapilit.
matay ng charge. Go take charge. Take charge.
I got food
Now,
Are they gonna sit by?
kayang kita yani.
Dito set mo ano?